Welcome back to my YouTube channel SMB English. Okay, today you're going to feel motivated, interested, pleased, and most importantly, you're going to feel relaxed. Yes, as I always repeat this statement, I don't have any celebrity to call on my podcast, so I manage podcast with my students. Okay, so and it has two benefits. One is through this, my student gets confidence and improves English. And second, that is for you. I try to give some messages, okay? I try to solve some complications, all right? So this is very important to watch this beautiful podcast completely. And if you are still new on our channel, subscribe it right now. Okay, so hi, how are you?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
Yes, I am always fine, as I say, because it's needless to say anyone about your pain. Actually, we need to hide our pain.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
Why should we hide our pain?
Because, sir, as you
First, I
always...
want to know, okay, about you. I'll go into that actually about this pain, okay? Let's park this question here, and I want to understand first about you. Can you please tell me about yourself? Because you are first time in front of no, you are not first time in front of camera, but on the podcast.
On the podcast.
Yes, you tell me what is your name and whatever about you. You speak about yourself.
Hi, this is Kaushik Vasu. I belong to Begusrai, and I always try to learn new things that help us to grow in our life.
So everybody has to learn new things, right?
Yeah.
And it adds variety in our life.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yeah, and my mother is a teacher, and she always said that life is a book. We always need to read it and learn it.
Life is a book, okay? We always need to read it, study it, and learn through it. This is a good statement actually. But whenever you read a book repeatedly, okay, one book you read again and again, same sentence will give you a different message.
Yes, sir.
Right.
According to situation,
Yeah.
we will find the different ways and different meaning of a same word.
Right. That depends on your situation.
Yeah.
That depends on your mindset, you mean to say that.
Yes, sir.
Right. Mindset is very strong asset of human being. What do you think about it?
With mindset, a person can become a rich. With mindset, a person can become a poor. Mindset is everything. Means mindset shows the personality of any person.
So mindset is changeable actually. Today you are having positive mindset, and tomorrow sometimes you don't have positive mindset. It
Yes,
happens in our life. So how to fix our mindset? How to make our mindset always positive? It is not easy, but it has to be positive as much as possible. How can we make our mindset positive?
For making our mindset positive, we all belong to some religions, just like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. So there is some books like Bible, Gita, and Quran. So that books gives us motivation. That motivate us, and for positive motivation, we need to read that. We need to study that.
You mean to say that our faith is very strong on our religions, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we need to study and read our religious holy books, okay?
Yeah.
Where we learn life lessons, okay? Where we add ourselves and connect ourselves to the Almighty God, right?
Yeah.
And there we feel like somebody is supreme above us, okay? Who are always and who is always with us. And through this you energize yourself, and you feel like if the problem is unmanageable and unattainable, it will be supported by the Almighty God, right? So
Yeah.
we should have someone, in the form of God, okay, who can always support us, and we should have firm belief in that. You mean to say
Yes,
that to keep our positive mindset, that is the thing you mean to say that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, man. That's very
And
good.
sir, every problem begin with a solution. If there is
Right.
problem, it means there is some solution.
Right.
And sir, the holy books is a solution book. In that book, every solution is presented. We need to find the question.
Yes, that's good actually. But nowadays, okay, one thing is very, common, you can say, which is raised questions against holy books also sometimes. Some people do it. Some people do it.
Yeah, I also hear
here
that.
this type of things are there, this type of things are there, this type of things are there, right? Okay. So is this good?
According to me, this is not good. This is a vulgar activity.
Right.
Because that is the book who has created our history, who are going to create our future,
Right.
and who is running our present,
Which is right.
which is yeah.
Okay. So it's a message for everyone. We should not disrespect any religious books, okay? And if you want to raise questions, okay, these books are, not questionable actually. You cannot raise questions on these books, okay? You may not agree with something, that is your right, but you cannot straightforward defame any books, okay, because you don't know what is behind that actually. We sometimes misinterpret the books, the religious books, and through this you hurt millions of people.
Yes,
If you raise questions against any religious book, the followers of that book are hurt actually. So this is the worst act of this century actually, 21st century. This has become a trend actually, to raise questions against holy books, okay? And because of that, what happens, okay, the religions, okay, two different faiths come in front of each other and conflict starts, okay? So I think we have to beware of this type of things, right? Yeah.
And sir, someone's raised question against holy book. They trying to show themselves very educated. They only go through words. They don't depend on meaning.
They don't understand the deep depth
Yeah.
of that sentence actually.
If there is any words written, it means
There must be some reasons.
there must be some reason, and they want to show something. They want to give some message. So we are not trying to get that message.
No, really. If you want to understand something, to go to the scholars of that particular book actually. And if you really want to understand, if you want to clear your doubt, okay, go to the particular person. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And try to understand, try to know it. Question should be for knowing the answers, okay? But this nowadays what is happening, we raise question not to know the answers, we raise questions to create confusion among the people, right?
Yeah.
सवाल आप करिए जवाब जानने के लिए, मतलब ग्रुप के बीच में और दो फेथ के बीच में वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करने के लिए सवाल होता है ना, दैट इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन, लेकिन दैट इज द पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चंस आई कैन से.
Yes, sir. And sir, we all know that when we are child, in our childhood, if we got injured from ball, we left the cricket. We will not play the cricket. If we fall down from cycle, we don't ride cycle for many years.
For many years, for many days, you
Yeah,
can ride.
and this is the way they don't understand the books, and they raise question against them.
That's nice. That's very good. Very good. Okay. So, dear viewers, okay, it's very important to understand the facts of any writings, okay, and if you have some confusions, okay, you are always welcome to those people who are the experts of that. As you fall ill, you go to doctor, right?
Yes,
Same
sir.
way, if you have some questions against anything, that has to be answered, and you need to. You don't use every time your social media platform to raise questions. That is not a question. That is just creating confusion. Again and again, I'm repeating on these statements. Okay, meet the people, meet the experts, and try to understand. That's it. Right?
Yeah, and as you know, in my religion there was Pandit.
There is
Pandit. In your religion there is Maulvi Sahab. So they are the scholar of these
that
all
particular
thing. So if we have some question, we need to ask from them.
Right.
But what the people are doing, they go through
social media
and they raise question.
Yes, actually, and on social media the experts are not there. Maybe.
Yes, sir.
If experts are there and if they answer your questions, other people started abusing them. Right. So social media is the site now. They are only creating the problems. Okay. So and we are trying to find out solution on social media. Right. Okay.
Yes,
some solutions are in the books. Okay. Solutions are here. If you want to understand, try to read the books. But we try to find out solutions through different channels.
And sir, book is not only for knowing some answer of any question. In ancient time, people used to read book everywhere, at the bed or in the evening. They read book. It's give the peace.
It was giving the peace, right?
Right.
As I like that, on the page of books, okay, you feel like some toxin is there, and you feel like intoxicated, right?
Yes, sir.
Nasha you will feel like, but for that you need to practice every day.
Yeah, we need to practice, and if we don't want to read a whole book, just to go through your loved topic, whatever you love, read through book. Don't use mobile phone and social media.
I always suggest these students in my class, okay, if you're writing on any topic, you must write on the notebooks, okay. Normally what happens is students, write in the words, okay, in actual, okay, in the mobile, and they use mobile, and mobile is the place where a lot of distractions are also there.
Yes, sir.
है ना, आप जो मोबाइल यूज़ करते हो, चलो आप एक सही चीज़ देख रहे हो या पढ़ रहे हो, but at the same time some messages are fluctuating, some notifications are there, and which are distracting you, right? Okay, you're very close to distraction that time. So you need to understand mobile phone. Mobile phone is fine, that's not a problem, but it is not fine everywhere. Somewhere you're not able to use the books, okay, like in travel, okay, that time you can use mobile, no problem, right? Okay, but everywhere you use mobile phone, that is not good, right?
And sir, while I was studying at my home, the notification are coming
they're popping up again
and again. Then my mother said that turn on aeroplane mode and then start your class.
She is 100% right, actually.
But sir, if
I know you cannot do that. You disconnect. You will disconnect, right? But even in the class also, I see that again and again your notification pops up. अगर मैं एक नेगेटिव बात करूँ आपकी, तो मेरे को वो बात बार-बार क्या कहता है, अटैक करता है actually. फट से आ गया, fush, right? And that attacks actually.
Yes, sir.
वो अटैक कर रहा है, व्हाट इज दिस यार. लेकिन मैं कुछ नहीं बोलता उस बच्चों को जो कि दे हैव 90% गुड क्वालिटी देन 10% बैड क्वालिटी. तो आई डोंट फोकस ऑन 10%, आई फोकस ऑन 90%, बट दैट इज द ड्रॉबैक. वी शुड टर्न ऑफ द नोटिफिकेशन. मे बी यार वाइब्रेशन में तो कर ही सकते हैं ना, म्यूट तो कर ही सकते हैं ना. इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ क्लास दैट टाइम यू कैन म्यूट योर नोटिफिकेशन.
right. Well, sometimes means it's hurt us, means it's we are addicted from the mobile phone. We can't put it in vibration mode, and sometimes we try to put it on vibration mode, so we get some means pain from inside.
Right. Yeah. This happens actually. This happens, right? Okay. So I want to know who is Kaushik.
If I talk about Kaushik, I am still finding, because if I will speak anything about myself, that will define my quality of my parents, that whatever they gave me, the thoughts, the way to live life. But right now I am not doing anything. So if I want to describe myself, I need to
know yourself and you need to do something.
yeah.
Okay, so what are you thinking? You are going to get something big. What are you going to get?
One thing I learned from my parents, that is social work. My
Your mother is a big social worker. I salute her actually. She is such a lady who understands the pain of other people. मैं तो दुआ करूँ कि इनको इतना पैसा अल्लाह ताला दे दे कि ये लोगों की हेल्प करे, क्योंकि इनके पास जितना पैसा मैंने उनमें ही देखा है कि she supports her.
Yes, sir.
She always supports. Okay, she, I mean, do charities. Okay, she supports the classes. Okay, she supports the teachers. Okay, she supports the needy. She supports the students.
And
बहुत बड़ी बात है यार. This is reality actually. Yeah.
And sir, I will say, and I will proudly say that this came from my grandma. My nani was a nurse, and
Nurse has this quality. You're right. Yeah.
and sir, she was running a small medical shop at her house, and she gave medicine to the poor person without any fee.
Oh.
So I feel very proud to
मतलब
being,
बहू को सासू माँ का क्वालिटी आ गया.
no sir, my
दादी माँ ना?
nani ma.
नानी माँ. All right. So you got this quality from your
नानी माँ.
नानी माँ. Okay. All right. तो यही तो है कि यार it is said कि it is DNA. Okay.
Yes,
ये
sir.
तो DNA का बात नहीं हुआ. It is like, you know, you accept okay great qualities from the great people. Be it is your nani, be it is your dadi, be it is your teacher, be it is your family members, friends, or enemies as well. Sometimes you
Yeah.
learn from them as well. Right. So this quality has to be there in the society because the world is suffering a lot nowadays.
Yes sir.
है ना, दुनिया बहुत सफ़र कर रही है, बहुत ही परेशान है, right? And in this world we need such type of people who can release some pain on someone,
Yes sir.
right?
And sir, one thing I want to share with you, that I have learned one point from two different person, that is my mother and from my best friend, that if she fight from anyone, if she are not talking to anyone, she forced me to go and talk with her, talk with him. I fight with him, you not fight with him. And sir,
That's very beautiful quality. Yeah.
and there was my two best friend who are cousin brother, Chachere bhai, and their parents are not talking to each other, but if they went out of the house, they will move together.
Actually, see, इससे ये है कि in future you will not have big ditch.
Yes sir.
There won't be big, you know, difference. Okay.
Yeah.
And if sometimes come, okay, and you want to patch up again, it will be easier. Breakup, see, breakup should not be permanent. है तो ना, कुछ ऐसा होना, लड़िए इस तरीके से नहीं कि फिर मिलना मुश्किल हो जाए. There should be something left, okay, that could attract you towards each other. तो ये बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का. मेरी लड़ाई तुमसे है, तुम्हारे भाई से नहीं है. I will talk to him. तो एक वक्त आएगा, हो सकता है भाई की वजह से तुम मेरे से बात करने लगो. That is very important. Getting a right person is very tough, you know.
Yes sir.
And we should not lose them because of any one thing. एक अच्छा इंसान मिलना बहुत मुश्किल काम है, और अगर वो मिल गया ना तो किसी एक चीज़ की वजह से, like you know, he made one mistake, okay, and we kick him actually out of our life. ये गलत बात है कि 90% सही चीज़ है उसमें, अगर 10% गलत है, you need to just embrace him, right?
One question came in my mind, sir, and that sir, that if I do any wrong work against my relative, against my friends, so we always fight with him and move on, but we don't say sorry to them. And sir, I want to understand that why it is very difficult to say sorry.
There is a problem of ego actually, right? Understand? कि if I am right, why should I say sorry? Right.
If we will don't speak sorry, how we will get catch up?
So we what can I say? We carry the burden of this friction, okay, every time. If you meet that person, okay, ये नुकसान उसका नहीं है actually, ये नुकसान आपका है. If you meet him on the roads, okay, अगर वो जा रहा है कहीं and you are also going from there, okay, अगर उसको आप देख लो एक ऐसे हल्का सा झटका सा लगता है, right, कि
Yes, sir.
लगता है कि मुड़ जाए, उसका नजर ना देखे. अब उसको क्या फीलिंग हो रहा है, आई डोंट नो, उसको भी सेम ही होता होगा, बट नुकसान दोनों को है. तो व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू से सॉरी? टेल मी, व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू टू से सॉरी? दैट इज ईगो.
ईगो.
यस, दैट इज ईगो.
सो वी
अपने आप को इतना बड़ा कभी मत समझो कि धरती से पैर ही उठ जाए यार.
यस सर.
आप इतना बड़ा नहीं हो कि यू डोंट नीड दैट पर्सन.
And so we need everyone in every day.
Right. Every day you need it. I'm not telling you to hurt yourself, okay? But इतना मत रखो कि वो झटका लगे.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, आप सॉरी कहो और बात को खत्म करो, हाथ मिलाओ, आप दूरी बना लो. समझ गए उस इंसान को, तो डोंट गो इनटू द सेम स्पेस.
Yeah.
वो जो कंफर्ट जोन पहले था वो हो सकता नहीं बनेगा, लेकिन अब सलाम कहना, नमस्कार कहना, गुड मॉर्निंग कहना, गुड आफ्टरनून कहना आपके लिए मुश्किल नहीं रहेगा.
It will be easy.
इट विल बी इजी
To face him.
हाँ, अगर बाद में कहीं पैचअप करने का मौका मिल जाए तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू डू दैट.
Yes,
लेकिन अगर यू डोंट टॉक, द डिफरेंस, ओके, देन द गैप increases, keep on increasing, right, and it becomes very big gap. Now you are not able to cross this and fill that gap.
Yeah.
इतना दूरी नहीं बनाना है जितना कि आप पाट नहीं सके. You understand?
Yes sir.
If you don't agree with me, that is fine. But अगर रास्ते में मिल गए तो इतना तो होना चाहिए कि सर हाय सर, हाउ आर यू सर, फेक हंसी ही चाहिए, there is no problem. But लेकिन अगर कभी ज़रूरत पड़ जाए तो that time you will not feel bad in calling.
Yes,
you will
sir.
call me on the spot and I'll take you call. But if you gave me bad experience, I won't take your call. It is human tendency. I will ignore your call.
Yeah, it happened to everyone.
It happens, right?
Yeah. Many times my friends call me and I didn't pick up.
You don't speak up, right?
Due to their behavior. So it is very normal and casual to everyone.
But a businessman never does it,
Yeah.
अगर आप उसका पैसा लेके चले भी जाते हैं, बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन ऐसे होते हैं कि ही 5 लाख रुपीज़ आप पे है, बट फिर से परचेजिंग के लिए जाओ, ही विल टॉक टू यू वेरी नाइसली. चक्कर ये है कि एवरीबडी वांट्स टू आपके दिल को चीर के देखना चाहता है, हाउ मच लव यू हैव फॉर हिम, राइट? अरे यार, दिस इज नॉट फॉर एवरीवन, डोंट वरी, ओके? एवरीबडी कैन नॉट बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
Yes sir.
और आपको भी ये समझना है कि एवरीबडी कैन नॉट बी your best friend, and they should also understand that everyone cannot be their best friends, okay?
Yeah.
But हम चाहते हैं कि I want the proper space in everyone's hearts, right?
Yeah.
Excuse me, understand, okay? This is not possible, okay?
And sir, as you always speak that शांति तभी मिलेगी जब मौत होगी. Every time you speak in the class, and I love this line because if we are living, if we are surviving in the in life, if we are surviving, so we need to fight with our problem.
If you don't have problems, now you have no life. You
Yeah.
just said very beautifully, problems are the sign of life,
Yes sir.
right?
And I use this line in my day-to-day life to means every time if anyone came to my house and they started speaking that अरे यार मेरे साथ ये हो गया, वो हो गया, this that, so I always speak this line to them.
जिंदा हो
Yeah.
तभी प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes sir.
जिंदा हो तभी तो प्रॉब्लम है, right?
Yeah.
If you dead body, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा काट दिया जाए तो यू विल फील वेरी पेन, राइट? ओके, एंड यू विल फाइट, ओके? जब मर जाते तो जला देती पूरी बॉडी को, राइट? हम लोग दफना देते हैं, एंड देयर सांप है, कीड़े हैं, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट? बट फिर भी देयर इज नो पेन. तो अगर दर्द है तो जिंदगी है,
जिंदगी है.
राइट?
Yes sir.
ऑल राइट, ओके? सो Second thing, I just want to understand that you're such a great person. Okay, in just a few days, it is not a big time, just 2, 3 months, 4 months, I think. Okay, and these 4 months and 5 months maybe, right? You're attached actually.
Yeah, I will say that this quality came from my mother and my grandma, because they always teach me to be friendly with everyone. No one is your enemy in the world. If there is anyone you're against you, it means you are against your.
See, there is confusion actually, right? Nobody is your enemy.
Yeah.
And enemy तब बनता है जब वो confusion बड़ा हो जाता है. And for this you should not listen to anyone. If I tell about your relative that he is not a good person, okay, you should listen to your heart. Okay, you should listen to yourself. Okay, really he is not good. Really he is bad. Really you don't need him. Really he is not going to support you ever. Tell me. अगर इसका सवाल में 1% भी अगर है कि नहीं हो सकता है कि he might help me, so please understand, then and there go and say sorry.
Yeah, and sir, means we don't understand that we have to follow our own passion, we have to follow our own path. We always depends on other, that four people, what four people will speak. We want suggestion from that four people, that give me suggestion what I should do.
So when you start following your passion, you will get clarity and you will
Yes,
get
sir.
confidence, you will get faith. Okay, and when you have these things, okay, you don't need anyone to become your guide actually. I said, mentor is needed, I can tell you, teachers are needed, but they all are trying to clarify your doubt.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
अगर तुम ही अपने डाउट से निकलना नहीं चाह रहे हो तो कोई और कैसे निकालेगा, राइट?
Right.
तो इफ यू गो एनीवेयर, गो विद योर क्लियर माइंडसेट कि नो, आई एम रेडी, आई वांट टू क्लियर माय डाउट, ओके, आई वांट टू डू I want to follow my passion. Sir, you support me, you suggest me, whatever you will suggest, okay, I will definitely try to
do.
understand that
Yeah.
and try to use that.
Yes,
Right? अगर तुम अपने confusion में रहना चाहते हो तो the world is not going to help you out, okay?
Yes.
Life can be crystal clear, okay? There cannot be any confusion. Confusion कब होता है? जब confusion तब होता है जब faith घटता है. आपका विश्वास घटेगा ना, confusion create हो जाएगा.
And sir, we always means everyone asks same question that relative suggests us. What should we do? In my opinion, I think my father, my mother gave me a house, gave me food. They teach me how to survive. So I think we should follow our parents only. My father, my mother.
As your father is, he is a policeman, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your mother is a teacher.
Yeah.
Right. So I want to understand, even the viewers want to understand. People say, sorry for that, but this question is there in the, it is floating in the society, you know that. It is said, policemen are not honest. कभी सुना होगा ये क्वेश्चन आपने?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I always listen.
This type of question.
Yeah.
आप सुनते हैं ये सवाल, right? ये बड़ा मतलब जानने वाला क्वेश्चन है कि why do people speak this and what is the reality behind it? Or this man, I mean the policeman, is taken wrongly by the society. क्या कहना है आपका?
Many times we only remind the negative side of anything. If I will speak about any person, I will speak negative thing. I don't remember that he has
What
done.
is he doing for the society?
Yeah, and sir, if I talk about cops, the police, they always do what they get ordered from the higher position, and people say that police are very corrupted.
Use your hands. Use your hands. Yeah.
People always say that police are very corrupted. They take money. So I will speak that. Yeah, some police takes money. Some
And
policemen
it
are.
is not about policeman यार, it is done by everybody.
Yes,
अरे ईमानदार लोग कहते हैं ना कि ईमानदार इंसान तब तक है जब उसे बेईमानी करने का मौका नहीं मिलता है. नॉर्मली ये देखा गया है कि कौन बेईमान नहीं है. From the top position, leaders to peon, everyone is doing corruption. अब प्यून है तो 500 रुपये का करप्शन कर लेगा, अब कोई नेता है तो 5 करोड़ रुपए का कर लेगा, राइट?
And sir, people only speak about government, that if anyone is doing government job, it means they are doing corruption, and if they are in private job, it means it is a path of way to reach. They don't speak that it is a corruption. It is their I can say that it is their earning source.
So this is taken wrongly, you mean to say that, because everyone तो नहीं कह सकते, but lot of people are doing corruption, okay, from different industries, okay, and from different posts, okay. They are doing, some leaders are corrupt, okay, some teachers are corrupt, some policemen are corrupt, okay, some bureaucrats are corrupt, some judges are correct, some lawyers are corrupt, okay. So some businessmen are correct, okay, some IAS officer was correct, okay, some IPS officers are corrupt, okay. Who is not corrupt? Some peons are corrupt, okay. So in every sector, okay, you will find corruption. But ये बात बड़ा मतलब ये है कि यार पुलिस वाले को लोग सबसे ज़्यादा करप्ट मानते हैं. क्यों? इसके पीछे लॉजिक पता है आपको क्यों ऐसा होता है?
Sir, first thing is that if people won't speak against any powerful person, they will speak against those who can't do anything. They know policemen are under some rules, regulation. They won't go against that rule.
Yeah, right.
So they will speak that yeah, policeman is this, police cops are this, cops are that. They will speak, but they won't speak against government. They won't speak against leader. And everyone knows very well that what is happening in India. But they will only speak about cops. Because they know
they find out Canaan forces, right? बलि का बकरा कोई को बना लिया जाता है कि this person is the root of all evils, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. But they don't understand the sacrifice of the policeman. They have no time, duty time नहीं होता उनका.
No, sir.
They have no duty time, okay? कभी भी duty लग जाती है, okay? They will see the danga, okay? They will see they will have to face the terrorist, okay. Sometimes they will have to fight the powerful leaders. Sometimes they will have to fight against the criminals, okay. They will have to fight against all the bad people. They have to deal with bad people, okay. अगर वो प्यार से हैंडल करेंगे ना गलत लोगों को तो वो हैंडल ही नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो they have to be strict.
Yes, sir.
तो we should understand the pain as well. वो घर में नहीं आ सकते टाइम से.
No, sir.
When you have leave, they are busy.
Sir, my father is posted very far from Begusarai, and he always came at 2 a.m. in the morning. I always go to pick up him. One day what happened, I went at 2 a.m. and I picked up him, and at the 8 o'clock when he was eating, he taken a first bite and the mobile phone ring that you have to come back on your duty. We have faced a very serious problem, and he didn't eat properly. That time I feel very bad that if any person is doing his job of cop, it means it is a very great work.
It is a respected job. Yeah. This thing you're telling, like it would be the biggest emotion for the family as well, sir. Right? Keep in the evening, in the morning 2 o'clock he reached home, and in the morning 8 o'clock he's returning to his post of his jobs, okay, and people are telling that they are corrupt, okay. So this is heartfelt actually. This hurts.
If I talk about cops,
what do you face? Yeah, please continue.
My big mama, Bade Mama, he is right now DSP at the post of DSP, but when he was SI, Daroga, he faced a very serious condition. He got 19 shots in his body against a Naxalite person. He was fighting, and while helping his colleagues, he got 19 shots in body. Still 2 bullets are in his leg, and if the bullet will means if doctor will try to keep out that bullet, my mama's
poison will
Yeah.
spread in the body. See this thing. तो क्वेश्चन उठाने से पहले when you raise the question against anyone,
and people say that daroga means घूसखोर. They don't see that how much pain they got.
they have always their lives on their
Yes, sir.
in their hands. Okay, जान हथेली पे वाली बात है, right? Okay.
Yeah.
And he has to, and they have to deal with all the bad people of the society. Society के हर बुरे लोग से उनको deal करना है. And if you want कि they deal with sir please अपना गन हमें दे दीजिए, तो फिर तो भैया it's very tough. Okay, you cannot sleep sound, you cannot have the sound sleep at your night. Okay, because this policeman, okay, you feel safe. Okay, so raising questions है. I face a policeman actually. हम तो कहते हैं कि आप face भी सही से नहीं करते ना.
No, sir.
See, one day what happened, I was coming from Karichak, right?
Yes.
And on the way, I had no helmet, okay? So he stopped, okay? And on the road, okay, one junior person stopped me and he talked me with disrespect. Actually, मतलब करना भी चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Because हम ही नहीं कह रहे कि वो सर आप ऐसे हैं, ऐसे मतलब बात ही नहीं मानेगा.
Yeah.
तो he talked with me with disrespect, seriously. तो मैंने बोला अंकल आपके सीनियर से मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, तो बात करा दीजिए. बोले सर वो गाड़ी पे बैठे हैं जीप पे. तो I went, okay, and I told, hi sir, how are you? I spoke with the manners actually and said it, I understand this is a big problem and this is a rule break. If you want to do challan, you can do it, there is no problem. But I want to request you, this is first and last time, I will never do it again, and your purpose is also to make everybody wear the helmet, and you're talking for me because it was very urgent and I forgot, okay. And when I reached halfway, I remember the helmet, so I couldn't return because it is doctor emergency. This is my prescriptions of doctor. And he then and there said, you're so educated person, you should follow the rules and you should become an example. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
And he shook hand with me and he said me, okay, no problem, you can leave. अब मैं वहाँ पर अगर hesitate करता, how can you do this? My mama is this, my chacha is this, my father is this. तो फिर वो अपने ईगो पे लेके हमसे वो 500 रुपये तो चार्ज कर ही देते.
Yes.
Right? तो वो तो आप भी तो गलत करते हो ना. He is taking bribe, you mean to say. You are giving bribe, you are not telling.
Sir,
आप दे रहे हो ना कई बार कि सर प्लीज 500 रुपया मत काटिए, आप गवर्नमेंट को नहीं देना चाह रहे हो.
and sir, if they are asking, why they are asking? Main question is that why they are asking, why they are taking. If we are giving, it means we are responsible for that.
Yes.
We don't should give them.
We should not give them.
We should not give them. If we are giving, it means totally responsibility come in our hand.
See, I am not defending any policemen or any person. I am just telling the reality actually. Without knowing the reality, we cannot disrespect any professions. Okay, this is not good actually. They are the people. Everybody is doing their jobs, okay, and it is reality that we are not raising questions against the influential people, against the strong people, against wrong people actually, right?
Yes,
and it is
sir.
very easy to raise questions against policemen, teachers. Okay, this is not fair actually. This has to be stopped actually, right? Okay.
Yeah.
What else? So, this first thing I want to understand. You joined this class, okay?
Yes, sir.
What was your first day's feeling actually?
Well, Begusrai, people speak that Begusrai is a city, but I will speak that no, Begusrai is not a city.
It's a town.
It's not a town, it's like a village. Because when you go to Delhi, Kolkata, they are like cities, they are like towns. But this is not a developed
metro cities actually.
Yeah. if you go to Patna, yeah, I can say it is developing day by day. But in Begusrai, a class like SMB English, a spoken class, because you can see everywhere in Begusrai there is a grammar class. At every chowk charaha, you will find one grammar class. But in Begusrai, there is no any spoken class like this. That teacher forced to speak English. So I love this class so much. And as I spoke earlier, I went to many classes. So I told my mother that no, I will not join any class more.
Right.
But
तो एक बात बताओ यार, अब तुम स्टार्टिंग में टीचर से नफरत करते थे या मुस्लिम टीचर से नफरत करते थे या फिर क्या था वो? आई क्लियर क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे, क्योंकि ये तो था आप में कि यू केम टू दिस क्लास एज यू अपने मुंह से ही बोलो कि तुम इस क्लास क्यों आए थे पहला दिन?
I came here to drop my mother because she want to learn English, how to speak, and I came here to drop her, and I told her at home कि हम पहुंचाने तो जा रहे हैं लेकिन क्लास नहीं जाएंगे.
क्या दिक्कत क्या था मेरे से या फिर टीचर से? मुझे ये जानना है, क्या दिक्कत था कि मुझे तो जाना नहीं है टीचर के पास, मैं तो सिर्फ तुमको ड्रॉप करने जा रहा हूँ मम्मी?
मैं that time always I was against the rule, the way of teaching, because I survived many places and I didn't enjoy anywhere. Means
Okay.
there was only two teacher, my favorite teacher, who I always love. First, my surname is A.K. Jha sir, who is math teacher and who always support me in the school.
A.K. Jha sir, he is talking about yourself.
And
actually.
second teacher in my whole life is you.
Huh?
Yes sir.
So much.
Yeah, because these two person has given me belief that yeah, I can do anything, whatever I want to do, and I am not against any Muslim and any other religion.
Religions are not the problem.
If you count my friends, I think if I talk about approximate, then more than 50% there is my Muslim friends. So my mother always teach me that there is no any caste and religion.
That's good.
People divided us
Right.
on the name of caste, religions. कौन जानता है ऊपर में सब एक ही है.
All right. That's good. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask one question regarding change. That when we want to change anything, it's look like very tough. But when we started, it's like very easy. So why this happening?
This happens actually. Before starting anything, it was tough.
Yes sir.
कुछ भी शुरू करने से पहले मुश्किल ही होता है.
Yeah.
And after starting, that becomes easy. So it is said very beautifully. Be quick to take action and take time to plan it. Plan करने में वक्त लीजिए, but जब काम करना है तो you need to be very quick. Don't worry about the consequences and results. Okay.
Yes sir.
Just start doing action. और एक और बात यहाँ पर एक बात मैं ऐड करना चाहता हूँ to make it better actually. People see your action, but God sees your intention.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो we try to satisfy the people.
Yes sir.
Right. If you do some action, they will say, wow, what they are trying. हम तो ये भी एक कदम आगे बढ़ के कहना चाहेंगे कि people see your result.
Yeah, they always want results.
Results, right? They always want result. And you see your action, God sees your intention. हम तो ये कहना चाहेंगे. Because लोग को result चाहिए, and result does not come every day.
Yeah.
Result will come after your repetitive action.
When we complete our action, when we are done, then the result will show.
Yes, and every action will give you some results.
Yeah.
It is sure about it. Because
Yes, sir.
result is the byproduct of your action. Right?
Right.
So, एक सही intention से अगर आप he will be satisfied.
Yeah.
सही intention से अगर आप अपना action करते हैं तो result तो जरूर मिलेगा. हम उल्टा करते हैं. We want to satisfy the world before doing the action, and our intention is not right actually.
Yes, sir.
जब नीयत ही सही नहीं है तो एक्शन कितना ही बढ़िया से कर लो, रिजल्ट तो आना ही नहीं है. As simple as that.
Right now, I remembered one line that you teached one day that you taught one day that we expect others' acceptance and approval. We always depends on others.
We accept others' acceptance and
approval
for our decision.
Yes,
for
sir.
our action. What is that actually? We are handing over ourselves, okay, to others, okay. Yes, you drive me, you drive us however you want to drive us.
Yeah.
We will follow you. Others are not your driver. You know, SMB anthem is based on this.
Yes, sir.
Right. People will abuse you, people will criticize you, they will blame you, they will stop you, but stick to one thing. What is that actually? Right. So I'm trying to drive your attention towards you.
Yeah.
Because अनलिमिटेड एनर्जी इज देयर इन विद इन यू, राइट.
यस सर.
सबसे बड़ी एनर्जी आपके अंदर है ना. फिजिक्स का रूल है कि एनर्जी डज नॉट फिनिश.
एनर्जी नॉट क्रिएटेड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉयड,
राइट. इट जस्ट चेंजेस द फॉर्म्स. इट्स राइट ना.
यस सर.
तो एंड वी वेस्ट आवर एनर्जी एंड वी फील लाइक समटाइम्स इफ वी स्लीप देन वी विल प्रोटेक्ट एंड वी विल save our energy. No. That is not going to be saved, okay. If you are not acting, you will sleep.
Yeah.
Either you will do something else, right. So
yes,
you
sir.
are somehow changing your energy into different form. It cannot be saved actually.
Yeah.
So why not to use our energy to the right channels, okay.
And sir, there is Newton's third law. Every action
there
has
is equal
and opposite reaction.
Wow, it's nice. Yeah.
And this is not only a physics rule.
Yeah, this is life rule.
Life rule.
Yes, yes.
If I will do any action, then there will be some reaction.
Equal or opposite reaction. Means result तो होना ही है.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. हाँ, sometimes what happen, what you do and you expect the result, you don't get the same.
Sir, whatever, how much effect I will go through my action, that much effect there will be in
right.
result.
हर घड़ी आपको रिजल्ट जो ना आपके हिसाब से नहीं आता.
No sir.
It happens, okay. All the prayers are not fulfilled.
Yes,
सारी दुआ को पूरी नहीं होती है. But he knows more than your need. He knows what is good for you.
Yes,
हमको तो लगता है ये किताब मेरे लिए अच्छा है, लेकिन उनको पता है इससे बेटर किताब इनके लिए अच्छा होगा. तो we don't understand what is there in God's mind and for you, right? But we actually you know, हम अपना राग अलापते रहते हैं. That is the biggest issue, right? That's
sir,
good.
I want to ask one last question from you that regarding change, that when you are trying to change the society, when you open the Assembly English, your first podcast, what the feeling you got that time?
See, actually I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a big personality, I'm struggling, I'm trying to do something for myself. मैं इतना बड़ा आदमी नहीं हूँ कि मैं समाज के लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ या सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ. बट ये सेटिस्फैक्शन देता है एक्चुअली. इट गिव्स मी सेटिस्फैक्शन, इट गिव्स मी पैशन, इट गिव्स मी मोटिवेशन, इट गिव्स मी रीज़न टू डू, राइट. ओके. एंड इफ मैं एक स्टेटमेंट, मैंने प्रियंका चोपड़ा का स्टेटमेंट सुना था, उसको बोलते हैं किसी शॉर्ट्स में कि यू नो, ब्रीदिंग, टू ब्रीद, टू ईट, टू ड्रिंक, टू स्लीप, टू वॉक, टू रन, टू डू योर वर्क, टू डू योर बिजनेस is not the life you need actually.
Yeah.
Become like a sponge, right, which can soaks the negativity of the society, which can soaks the problems of the society.
Yes sir.
Right.
Yes sir.
Be the person who does something for himself, and in return he does something for the society as well.
Yeah.
And if you take an example of a teacher, वो अपना ही पैसा बना रहा, घर चला रहा, और समाज के लोगों को भी, कुछ लोगों को भी बदल रहा है. तो दो तरीके से फ़ायदा हो रहा है. लेकिन कुछ लोग सिर्फ अपना फ़ायदा करते हैं. दे डू जस्ट देयर ओन बेनिफिट्स, राइट. दे विल अर्न, दे विल मेक देयर ओन बिल्डिंग, they will earn, they will send their children to other states, okay, other cities for education, right. But they are not becoming the reason of the change in the society, but they will abuse every time to the society, to the people, to everyone. This is not good, that is not. What are you doing for the society? I'm not doing for the society, I'm telling you, but through this, society is getting benefit.
And sir, whenever I went out of the my society, whenever I went out of my area, I wear my iCard. When I was returning to when I was going to my other classes, people see my card and they spoke that you are SMB students. They treated me very well due to the brand. After seeing my brand that I am an SMBian.
SMB is becoming a brand,
yeah.
Right? Okay, because see, I did not see my pain actually. मेरे को बहुत face करना पड़ा है, and I will face. I am struggling. Still, I am facing. Okay, and I'm facing. It means I'm trying.
Yeah, we are trying.
Okay. And I don't show my पेन टू द वर्ल्ड एक्चुअली. मैं हमेशा एक स्टेटमेंट बोलता हूँ, जख्म अगर मक्खियों को दिखाओगे तो वो गहरा करेगी. जख्म में बैंडेज लगाने की ज़रूरत होती है, छुपाने की ज़रूरत होती है, राइट?
या
अंडरस्टैंड. सेम वे, don't show your problems to the world, don't show your pain to the world. Okay, the world is somehow not going to help you. Okay,
yes sir.
So you need to solve your problem yourself. Okay, and always try to do something for the society, something new, something different. Okay, intention should be good because he sees the intention. आपके एक्शन, दुनिया को नहीं पता है कि what is your intention, what are you trying to do for the society. They will abuse you, they will stop you, they will not understand you.
They only needs result.
हाँ,
which give benefit to them.
Right. And yeah, great things take time. It is said.
Yeah.
और ये इतना आसान भी नहीं है कि लोग आपको on the spot help कर देगा, right? इतने 4 साल में 4000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हुए हैं, right? Okay. It's very tough, right? Okay.
Yes,
people are not supporting. Okay. लोग unsubscribe करते हैं चैनल को. So these things people are doing, right? They are not able to support good things, okay? And they will support always bad things, and they will tell that society is not changing. एक बंदा काम कर रहा है, समाज को बदलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कुछ लोगों को एजुकेट कर रहा है, कुछ लोगों को नौकरी देने में मदद मिलेगा, कुछ लोगों के इंटरव्यू क्लियर होंगे, आपको एक अलग आइडेंटिटी मिल रही है, आपके समाज को, आपके गांव को लोग पहचानने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि देयर इज़ द क्लास, देयर इज़ इंग्लिश. तो वी नीड टू, अगर आप सपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते तो डोंट अगेंस्ट, यू नीड टू स्टैंड विद मी. वन डे इंशाल्लाह इट विल बी अ बिग चेंज. है ना? तो लोग ये बात समझ नहीं रहे हैं, एंड पीपल डोंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड दे ऑलवेज अब्यूज, दे ऑलवेज क्रिटिसाइज. ओके, एक्चुअली यार क्रिटिसाइज और अब्यूज तभी लोग करते जो आपको समझ नहीं पाते हैं लोग, तो वो यार
दे गो अगेंस्ट अस.
अरे कुत्ते भी उसे भौंकते हैं जिनको वो नहीं पहचानते. उसी तरीके से अगर आपकी क्वालिटी को कोई नहीं पहचानना तो ऑब्वियसली आप पे वो भौंकेंगे, राइट? तो आपको उसको ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यार.
एंड सर, आई थिंक your subscribers are, many of your subscribers are out of the Bihar.
Yeah, right.
Because they know what is SMB means, what the value this SMB class keep.
Right. So finally, actually, the video, length is becoming very big. Actually,
yes,
nowadays people have no time. They are busy for nothing. Actually, they are scrolling 50 reels, okay, of 1 minute, and it becomes 50 minutes, okay. But they are not able to give time to watch the podcast of long length. Okay, sir, if you want to, plant a banyan tree, okay, bargat tree. You need to wait it to become a big tree. Okay, yes. So I think we have to stop here because the video length is becoming very big. So all right, viewers, I request you, I urge you to subscribe our channel, share this beautiful video with all your family members, relatives and friends. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to like this video.